Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. Friends, in this video I am gonna tell you about how to solve YouTube problem, YouTube not working, it sometimes crashing, not opening the app, how you can solve it in your Honor smartphone. So let's start the video friends. First you have to open your YouTube, then you have to click. If it is not opening or some is any other issues, you have to just long press your YouTube, click, so there will be not a I button. So first you have to go to the settings. Now click on the applications, manage apps, then here you have to write YouTube, then click on YouTube. Here you have to give all the permissions, microphone, notification, some are not useful, so you have to just avoid it. Click on storage, clear cache, clear data. This will fix your YouTube, and if not, you have to restart your device. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful tips and tricks videos. See you next time.